Okay, Francis, this is the video I'm making for you, just to show you the mistake that you're doing. It's nothing major. It's very simple. You need to learn a little bit of MT4, how to use it. This is my 40-minute Euro USD chart. What you keep saying that your chart doesn't look like yours, my charts. So this is your chart. You can see this here. And this is how it is. This is exactly the way my charts are. Look, this chart, all you had there is just like a shrink one level down. See this minus sign? If I press this, now this chart exactly look like yours. What's the difference? You see that? Look at this move here, and then coming down, and then coming down here, going up. Look at this chart, coming down here and then going up, exactly the same thing. All I had is just one more plus bigger candle, and that's it. This is how my chart looks like right here. Okay, it was before like that, before this up move, and now you have this current up move. This is what I have. Okay, so this is just the matter of this plus and minus sign. You go more plus, you're gonna have a candle like this. You're enlarging the candles, and here you're shrinking them. You have it like this. So just enlarge a little bit, one more plus sign, and your chart will be mine. Look at your 20-minute chart, 3 tops here, right, and then all the way down, and then going and touching this black. Look, this is my chart. Shrink it one more level, and that's exactly what I have. 3 top, bottom, and then going and touching this black and red line, and posting this reversal candle here. Exactly the same thing. Look at this here, this low, high. Look right there, this low, high, exactly the same way. Okay. So this is the 40 minute, this is 20 minute. My 40 minute look like this, but it is just one plus more. That's it. And you use it. See this here on your right there, this button. These are the one. You press this plus button, and then you will expand the candles. You will enlarge the candles, and they will be looking like my chart exactly. Okay, this chart looks like this one. Same thing. You have it everything correct. Okay. You need to learn how to use these buttons and what they are. That's all. So I hope it solves your problem. Okay, so I'm going to close it and then send this video to you and fix your charts. And then let me know what happened.